In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get an internet browser here on a PS5 full screen. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually open up your settings by going to the home page and then going up to the top right and selecting settings. From here, select network just like so, hit connection status, and then hit view PlayStation network status on this page. Once you open this up, scroll down to the very bottom of this page and you're looking for an option that looks something like this. You're going to see two tabs on here that are important: About Us and Blog. You're going to want to open up both of these pages because sometimes it doesn't appear on both for whatever reason. Like for example, if I open up About Us, it's actually bugged for me right now and it just looks like this, but on Blog it should work. Essentially, just open up both of those pages and look specifically for a YouTube tab on here. You might have to scroll down quite a bit, even towards the very bottom to see this, but whenever you find it, go ahead and open it up. And it's going to redirect you to YouTube just like so. Specifically the PlayStation YouTube channel. Just wait for it to load, hit sign in up in the top right, and then just scroll down to the very bottom and you're going to see a privacy tab. Go ahead and open that up. Now once you open this up, you're going to see these little app logos up here. Select that and then hit Google search. And this is going to be that fully functional web browser for you. You could really search whatever you'd like on here. Just for the sake of this video, I've just been searching up Just Pause. But essentially open this up, hit RT to go and load the page, and you can really search whatever you would like on here. You can even go to videos, images, maps, whatever it might be, and it's going to fully work. So as you can see, I pulled up my YouTube channel right here, and I could just select this link, and it'll take me to it. Now, if you want to go full screen, essentially just go ahead and hit the little options tab. And then from here, you can go ahead and change the zoom and magnify as well. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.